Hello, I would like to talk to you about studying Maths A-Level at Sir Christopher Hatton. At the end there will be some information on further maths as well if you are interested in that. Maths is one of the most popular A-Level subjects at Sir Christopher Hatton and indeed in the country. Helps with many other subjects at A-Level and complements those subjects too: sciences, geography, biology, business and computing. As you can see in this graphic, these are all the subjects where maths is useful. This graph actually shows how popular maths is in the whole country, maths being right at the top of A-Level entries, and further maths is increasing, as you can see here down the graph. Further maths used to be a lot further down, but has really climbed in recent years. So these are the teachers, some of whom you will have met before. So how do our students do? So our high grades have increased over the past 5 years. Further maths has less students, so perhaps these numbers are a little less consistent, but the maths is doing very well in terms of these high A star to B grades. So some information about the structure. It consists of 3 papers. This is the final exam at the end of year 13, which are each equally weighted, 2 hours, so 300 marks altogether. So there are 2 pure maths papers, and the third is what we call applied maths, where you study statistics and mechanics. If you did a maths A-level, this is what it would look like. It is unlikely you would do this, but we would use this for our end of year 12 progress exams. So what is pure maths? Well, as you can see, this is 2/3 of the course. It is everything you really know already. Also includes circles, straight lines and calculus. Calculus is differentiation and integration. So statistics, the study of statistics involves representing data, probability. We also look at statistical distributions and hypothesis testing. Mechanics, this is really a bit like studying physics and very useful. So physicists find this quite easy. We study the equations of motions, Newton's law. So these are the textbooks. So in year 12 you will have these 2 books, and in year 13 these 2. This calculator is fantastic, the Class Whiz. It can actually help you solve equations, helps with all your statistical calculations, and is just generally marvellous. So, what do you need to actually get in to study maths? Well, we say you need to have a minimum of grade 7, but to be honest, having an 8 or 9 would make your transition to A-level much smoother. Those of you with a 7 can struggle and must be prepared to work really hard. If also you've been in set 2 or 3, you would also have to work very, very hard to catch up with people. So, how useful is a Maths A-level? Well, it can lead to all of these types of careers. So any career mentioned here, a lot of these people would have a Maths A-level. And here are a few more for you to have a look at. So our students who've studied Maths A-level will go on to many of these top universities. Here are just some courses and destinations in recent years of students we've had that have studied Maths A-level. And here, this is really useful. This is what some past maths students have said about studying A-level at Sir Christopher Hatton. So those people who are just interested in Maths A-level may stop listening now. If you'd like to know a bit more about further maths, stay tuned. So further maths is taken as a 4th subject. It is really just for the most able mathematicians who are hoping to study maths or a very closely related subject at university. So the pure maths content is 50%, and then you have two options. As Christopher Hatton, our options we take is further statistics and further mechanics. You get to study a lot of topics that you wouldn't meet in Maths A level, but that are really useful and very interesting. So these are the books we have to accompany the course. And here you can see these are actually some of the degree courses that our further maths students have gone on to. Thank you very much. If you do want to know more, please come and see myself, Mrs. Dutt, at any time in the school, or send me an email. Thank you very much.